Okay, I want to talk about this second example. The one thing I want to talk about is Moises brought up you have these decimal x-intercepts, this, 0.472 and 3.528. There's something going on there. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to factor this to try to figure out like what are the x-intercepts. So I'm going to put negative 3x squared here, and I'm going to put negative 5 here. So negative 3x and x. Let's see here. Factors of negative 5. Is it negative 5 and 1? That would give me negative 5x here, and that would give me negative 3x here. And if you remember, I need to get these two to combine to give me 12x, which does not work. So let's try negative 3x here and x here. What if I switch it, like put the 1 here and the negative 5 there? That's negative 3x squared. That's negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 3, that is positive 15x. And x times 1 is 1x. And again, if I combine these, that gives me 6. No. I mean, it turns out that it doesn't really matter what you do with this. It's not factorable, which is part of the reason why we're getting these weird decimals. I just want to be clear, just because the x-intercept is a decimal doesn't mean it's not factorable. Like, for example, if I had 0.6666 repeating as my decimal, that's just 2/3. That actually is factorable. We'll see some other examples of that happening, but these decimals are kind of weird. Like, there's no real pattern. I can't figure out what the next number is. I mean, that's a clue to tell me, like, this is not factorable.